Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10 an error occurred while Windows was synchronizing with Time Server. First method is type services in Windows search bar. Click Services. Open Windows Time Service. Change startup type to automatic. Start the service, apply, OK. Type timedata.cpl in Windows search bar. Click timedata.cpl. Click Internet Time. Click Change Settings. Click Update Now. Click OK. Click OK. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Type net space, stop space, W32 time. Type W32TM space, /unregister. Type W32TM space, /register. Type net space, start space, W32 time. Type W32TM space, /config space. /manual peer list colon. pool.ntp.org. /sync from flags colon manual space. /update. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.